I was reading an article the other day, I believe it was in the Drum, about the importance of POV content, point of view content, in today's AI day and age. Today's AI day and age. Yes, when so much artificial intelligence content is being created and it's everywhere, it's ubiquitous. How do you compete against it? Brands, businesses, marketers, social media people, PR people. You create content that's authentic, that's personal, that's tailored, that's customized, that only you can create. So that will compete successfully against the abundance, the overabundance of AI generated content that's out there, all that generalized, generic content that's out there created by AI. You beat it, you surpass it in the search engine results. You rank higher because you are creating content that AI can't generate on its own. Create, yes, brands, businesses, marketers, people, create more POV content.